Think changing lanes is easy? Not so fast. Follow these must-know steps to do it safely and smoothly. 1. Check your rearview mirror. Look for an opening in the next lane. Once you spot one, use your turn signal to indicate your intention. Signaling alerts other drivers to your plan. 2. Check your outside mirror and blind spot. Take a quick glance at your outside mirror and over your shoulder to check your blind spot. This area isn't visible in your mirrors, so it's essential to look. If your vehicle drifts slightly during the blind spot check, adjust your process, signal, glance at your outside mirror, then look ahead, and finally check your blind spot. 3rd, match the traffic speed. Adjust your speed slightly to match the flow in the new lane. Always yield to vehicles already in that lane. 4. Complete the lane change. Steer smoothly into the new lane. Cancel your turn signal and check your rearview mirror to ensure the lane change is complete. And always remember, change only one lane at a time on a multi-lane road. Always use these techniques, whether moving into a center, turning lane, a bicycle lane, or another lane where there could be cyclists or vehicles. Be careful and stay alert while making maneuvers on the road, and remember, the more you practice, the better your skills. Follow Driving-Tests.org for more driving tips.